Hello everyone, this is my first time of doing this store-bought sweet potato. I usually buy the slips on by mail, online order, and it's like 12 slips for $25 plus shipping. Anyway, I am so fascinated with this. I cannot find online this particular sweet potato. It's purple inside. And so I decided I'm going to start my own slips. So I bought the sweet potato from the local Fred Meyer store here where I live, and they're so long. It's like 8 to 10 inches, almost a foot long, and maybe a foot long. But anyway, so I covered it with soil, and then the sprout starts to come out. And then I kind of expose it a little bit, but I'm gonna put some more soil on near the bottom of this so that they can root very well. But I guess I'm having success. I don't have to buy the 12 slips for $25 plus shipping. They're out. They don't sell it this particular name. I've eaten one of them because the other one didn't make any eyes. This one made eyes. It has eyes when I bought it, so that's why I bought this particular thing. But anyway, I'm just sharing with you the success I had on growing this. So I will take this off sometime and then plant them in the garden. Right now it's a little bit cold. We still have freezing in the ground. Just sharing with you my success in propagating slips of the sweet potatoes I bought from the store. Again, it's Frida Stokes Purple Sweet Potato Organic.